Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by selecting a narrow niche and 3 core problems you will solve. This focuses the AI and your voice. Once done, collect 50 to 100 seed prompts plus about 10 reference articles so the model has grounding. Make sure to set a publishing cadence, 1 post per week, and length targets like 800 to 200 words to measure growth. This immediate, constrained setup gets you writing quickly and avoids aimless content generation. Next, build a repeatable process using a prompt template with hook, problem, solution, and call to action. This preserves structure and voice. Then run 3 passes, generate an outline, expand to a full draft, and polish for clarity and accuracy. Make sure to add human edits, verify facts, align tone to your audience, and insert unique anecdotes or examples. Once you iterate like this, you reduce errors. The AI speeds writing, while you keep control of quality. Finally, publish with SEO metadata, internal links, and 1 optimized image to boost discoverability. Then promote on 1 channel immediately. Monitor key metrics, click-through rate, time on page, and conversion rate weekly so you know what to iterate. If performance falls, troubleshoot by auditing your prompts, refining the template, or adding more reference sources. Retrain your prompt library with top-performing examples. This completes the loop. Publish, measure, and improve until the AI-assisted blog consistently delivers value.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.